Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. You need either the paired iPhone or cooperation from the previous owner. Once that's confirmed, make sure the watch has more than half battery and is near the iPhone with Wi-Fi on. Start on the iPhone, open Watch app, tap the watch at top, then tap the info button. You're doing this now so activation lock can be removed cleanly. This step prepares the devices and prevents being stuck later. Now continue by unpairing, which both erases the watch and removes activation lock when done correctly. On the iPhone, tap Unpair Apple Watch and confirm. Enter the Apple ID password to disable Find My and activation lock. If you don't have the paired iPhone, erase the watch directly. On the watch, go to Settings, General, Reset, erase all content and settings, then enter the passcode. Once done, the watch will reboot and be ready for a new owner. Finish by pairing the watch to the new iPhone. Hold the watch near the iPhone and follow on-screen pairing steps, or hand it to the new owner to pair themselves. If activation lock still appears, make sure the previous owner signs in to iCloud. And removes the watch from their account. That action clears the lock remotely. If neither option works, contact Apple support and provide proof of purchase and the watch serial. This resolves ownership and activation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.